Now the final step in making this spindle is to give it that concave look between the nodes that you would have on a bamboo. So the way I do that, I'm going to try a rough file at first. And I want this to be more concave in here. That may be a little rough. Let me try this file. It might be a little bit easier to manage. Okay, and when I have it rough, then I'll take a finer file, use the rounded part of the file to create more of a concave . Okay, that's better. Now I need that concavity in between these two nodes. Let me just have a card scraper to clean this up a little bit. Okay. Now I just want to rough it out here in the middle. Doesn't have to be very much to give it a little bit of that bamboo look. Okay, and then with the finer file, and then the last, no, two more to go. Just that same process. Rough. Again, some of this could be done with a spoke shave, a small spoke shave, but I would just rather do it with the files. Now, I will finish these off. I have one more rounding to do, but I like to take the scraper blade and smooth that out. come this way. I suppose it's possible to put this back on the lathe now. You have both lathe points and you could sand this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to finish off with the scraper blade. And it's a little rough. It's not like you would get with the blade, but it's it'll look good. A little rustic. That's the finished off process. Then I can put it into the chair.